Hello, Best Self. I'm happy to be here with you today to talk to you a little bit about our United Way campaign, which will be kicking off very soon. Thank you all for your support of the United Way campaign last year. We had so many donors from our Best Self staff that we were recognized as the #1 nonprofit organization in terms of donations to the United Way. So congratulations, Best Self, for that. And let's try to keep our #1 designation this year. Last year we donated over $24,000, and $13,000 of that was designated back to our own Best Self programs. Let's try to beat that this year. As a reminder, the United Way provides valuable support to numerous nonprofits in our community. Best Self is actually the recipient of the greatest amount of funding of any one nonprofit in our community, and last year we received over $300,000 of support. Here are a few programs that the United Way supports at Best Self.
I just wanted to take a quick moment to tell you a little bit about our Building Brighter Futures program and how the United Way supports it. As you may or may not know, Building Brighter Futures is a grant-funded program, and because of the generosity of our community and donations from the United Way, we are able to provide high-quality in-school and out-of-school time programming that create pathways for our children to reach their highest potential. United Way funding supports field trips, supplies, enrichment activities, and staffing. This support is essential for our programming and increases our capacity to serve more children and their families.
Hi, I'm Rebecca Stevens, and I am the director of the Child Advocacy Center, a program of Best Self Behavioral Health. As you may be aware, through the generosity of the Buffalo community and the United Way, millions of dollars are raised every year that help support nonprofits and provide valuable services in Erie County. In case you're unfamiliar with what we do here at the CAC, we're able to provide for the evaluation, investigation, treatment, and prevention of child sexual abuse victims and physical abuse victims here in Erie County. Our victim advocacy services and our therapy services are provided free of charge for all of those victims, and the United Way dollars that we receive help support those valuable services to these people in some of the worst times that they're experiencing.
Hi, I'm Sharon Ray. I'm Director of Evidence-Based Programs for the Children's Clinics at Best Self Behavioral Health. PCIT and DBT for Adolescents are two of the programs that the United Way supports. PCIT stands for Parent-Child Interaction Therapy, and that's our evidence-based program that works with young children, 2 to 7, and their families. These are children with extremely challenging behaviors, often as a result of trauma. DBT for Adolescents, Dialectical Behavior Therapy, is a really effective program for teens who have serious problems with emotion regulation, self-injury, suicidal behaviors. And because of the support of United Way, we've been able to help more children like Jamie, who at 3 years old had already been expelled from 3 daycares and early childhood programs. His parents were at their wits' end. They came to PCIT and they were able to find ways to improve his behavior so he could stay in his pre-K program. We've also been able to help more teens like Sarah, who when she came to the DBT program, Sarah and the staff were not sure she was going to make it to the next day, and who now is thriving, attending college, and really looking forward to her future.
Donating as little as $1 a week goes a long way for programs like Building Brighter Futures. We encourage everyone to do what they can to support our children and families of our community.
Through your contribution to the United Way, in whatever amount you're able to give, know that that money is going towards providing valuable services like the ones here at the Child Advocacy Center and the other ones that receive direct donations from the United Way here in the Best Self community.
Just know that whatever you can give goes a long way to helping programs like ours and to all the people in our community.
Please consider supporting the United Way this year. Whether you're a first-time donor or you were a donor last year, $1 a week can really provide a substantial amount of support to our community and make a big difference to vulnerable individuals. You can designate your donation back to Best Self to support our own programs and services, or you can donate to the United Way General Fund. The earlier you commit to your donation, the more prizes you'll be eligible for. There are great prizes available both through Best Self and through United Way to incentivize you to give. You can sign up either on paper or virtually, and you can make a one-time donation or an ongoing donation through payroll deduction. So please consider supporting United Way this year to help the vulnerable individuals in our community who need our help in these difficult times. Thank you, everyone.